Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a portfolio on UpWork. It's pretty simple because UpWork is a job finding platform, so you need to create a portfolio for yourself to find yourself a job. So you can easily do that. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on now. First step, you want to go to upwork.com, log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you can see your profile picture being displayed over here. Once you see it, click on it and click on versus settings over here. Now once you're over here, basically you can see versus my profile option. You want to click on my profile over here. Now once you're over here on this page, you can scroll a bit down and you can see the portfolio option. Now I've already created one, so it's showing this over here. But for those people who don't have a portfolio yet, they need to click on this plus button over here and create yourself a new portfolio. And over here you can enter the title of your job over here and the work completing date, and you can choose on versus select template over here to select yourself a template as well. So I'm just gonna write editor and choose video editing, and I'm just gonna choose it over here. Click and go select template. I'm just gonna choose the classic one. Click and go add details. Now over here you can drop your portfolio, which means your work, like your work's photo or files or anything. Just drop it over here and it's gonna be added. Once it's added, your portfolio with whatever video which you have posted over here is gonna be shown up. Now let's say you don't want to post a video. You can scroll a bit down and you can even add URL of your jobs, like the videos or anything you have done in the past. If you have its URL, you can paste it, click and go to preview. It's gonna show how it's gonna look like. After you see how it looks like, basically if you're done, just click on done at the end and your portfolio will be created. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can create yourself a portfolio. So my portfolio looks like this, as you guys can see. So it takes a bit of time. It has a video as well, as you guys can see, and it has all this video. So I created my portfolio with my YouTube videos link. So yeah, as I said, you can even add a link or you can just add a video itself. So yeah, hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time with future video. Bye bye.